Hello guys and welcome to JavaFX tutorial for beginners from Genius Coders. So in this video we will see how we can use the insert query or select query in our Java code. So this is a basic video about the insert and how we can retrieve the data from table. So if you already know about it, then you can skip this video. But for beginners who don't know about the how we can use the insert query or how we can retrieve the data from table, so for those, so let's create the code. So now moving further, we need to create a statement object. Create statement st equal to connection object dot create statement. So this statement class is used to execute our this statement is to execute the queries like insert or update, delete. Okay, so first I want to perform the insert query. So let's add this. You can add the string also, or you can directly pass the string, but I'm just writing the separately. Insert into, we are connecting to employee. So let's see. So select star from enp info. So in this table, two columns are available, eid and ename. And so let's insert into table name emp info values, and in bracket values eid and name. So let's give the 113 and so pass the string. In single quotes we need to pass this string when we use the query in Java code. So and let's see, say okay, st not str. So we have one query insert. Now let's execute this. St dot execute update and pass this string semicolon. Now I want to retrieve all this data through our Java code. So let's print the message println data is inserted, and next I want to select the data from table. So for this, one interface is available, result set rs equal to st dot execute query, or we need to pass here a query. First create a query string str2 equal to double quotes select star from table name. Pass this string here, and let's see, import the packages. Now we are creating the result set interface object, so we need to print this all data into our console. So for this we need to use the while loop, and in while loop we use rs result set object and next method. So this next method, it will help to point out our next id. Okay, so in table only 2 IDs are available, so this method, it will help to go to our next ID and print this. So in this system.out.println rs.get in, because our first column is int, in double quotes id and print this id concatenate and then name concatenate rs.get string and string pass ename. Okay, and last we need to close this st, close this and close the connection also, close this. So now and print this system.out.println connection closed. Now run the program, click on connect to database. Connected to database, data is inserted and this 3 data is in. So if you see here, we have only 2 data, but in Java, through Java code, we have inserted 1 extra data into our data table, and it's also show. And now in last, close this connection. Okay, so if you can see here, we have inserted this data. So this way you can use these queries in Java code. See you in next video, guys.